If you're seeing a Telegram error for free, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that can help get Telegram working again on your computer. This error is often caused by network issues, a broken DNS cache, a problem with your Windows network stack, or even an incorrect proxy setting inside Telegram desktop. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without reinstalling everything. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's go step by step. First, we're going to flush your DNS cache. This is one of the fastest ways to clear out old or conflicting network data that may be blocking Telegram from connecting properly. On your Windows PC, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, and then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If a permission window appears, click Yes. Once the command prompt opens, type ipconfig flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. This tells you the system has cleared outdated network information and is ready to build fresh connections. Next, we'll reset the Windows network stack. Sometimes the issue is not Telegram itself, but the way Windows is handling your network connections in the background. To fix that, stay in the same administrator command prompt window and type net-h winsock reset, then press Enter. After the command finishes, Windows will tell you that you need to restart your computer to complete the reset. Go ahead and restart your PC right away. This step is important because it refreshes the network socket catalog and can remove hidden connection problems that trigger error 403. Once your computer restarts, open Telegram desktop again and check whether the error is gone. If you still see the problem, the next step is to change the app proxy settings. In some cases, Telegram may be trying to connect through a proxy that is no longer working, or the app may need to use a different connection type. Open Telegram desktop, then go to Settings, choose Advanced, and look for Connection Type. Here, you may see options like a custom proxy or Default TCP. If you're currently using a custom proxy, switch it back to Default TCP. If you're already on default and still having trouble, you can test a different connection option if available. The goal is to make sure Telegram is using a stable connection method that matches your network. After changing the connection type, close Telegram completely and reopen it so the new settings can take effect. Then try signing in or refreshing your chats again. In many cases, one of these three fixes is enough to resolve Telegram error 403 and get the app working normally again. If one step didn't solve it, continue through the next one, because network-related errors often need more than just a single tweak. For best results, I recommend doing these steps in order. First, flush the DNS cache, then reset the Windows network stack, and finally check Telegram's proxy settings. That gives you the best chance of fixing the problem without wasting time. And if Telegram is still not loading properly after that, the issue may be coming from your internet provider, firewall settings, or a temporary Telegram server problem. If this video helped you fix Telegram error 403, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.